It's Pride. Throughout June, Hollywood Life is running The Sound of Pride, a month-long feature where members of the LGBTQ+ community pick songs that should be on your Pride 2022 playlist. Mailing from Montreal, bilingual pop enigma Maryze joins today to share a trio of tracks to help capture a sense of euphoria, with a touch of beleaguered tenacity, that is probably going through all your friends within the Alphabet Mafia this season. I think everyone is just overjoyed to be back celebrating together, Maryze, she/they, tells Hollywood Life when asked to pick the overall vibe of Pride 2022. They think that after a year away, 2020, and a soft reboot, 2021, Pride 2022 is about expressing the truest version of ourselves that we've grown into over the past couple of years, while surrounded by community. To help you get into that mood, Maryze has selected 3 songs for the ongoing The Sound of Pride playlist. Maryze has a reason to celebrate. The queer icon released their debut album, 8, in May. The 10 tracks are unified by glossy production and an ear for irresistible pop melody, per under the radar. However, they show that their sound is wide, with dives into punk, emo, and an industrial-fueled collab with Backswash, Squelets. The album is available on streaming platforms and available on physical releases here. While ordering Maryze's new album, and checking out cultural critic Eric Shorey's Twitter account for guidance on the ballroom world you're not getting on Drag Race or Legendary, here are their songs for this Pride 2022 season. Zebra Cats, N. Maryze, I often fantasize about my ballroom entrance to this song. It serves so much attitude and icon energy. A Pride playlist must. Cobra, Good Puss. Another dark club anthem celebrating sexual liberation and kink, with the most irresistible bouncy bassline. Maryze, Experiments. The perfect 2000s club banger here to queer the Timbaland x Nelly Furtado era. Cheeky lyrics to get freaky too. Hollywood Life, after 2020 Pride was cancelled or virtual, and 2021 Pride was the return, what is the vibe for Pride 2022? Maryze, I think everyone is just overjoyed to be back celebrating together, expressing the truest version of ourselves that we've grown into over the past couple of years, while surrounded by community. This month is about celebrating unsung heroes, so which LGBTQ+ hero would you like to get more mainstream recognition? I think Montreal's Backswash deserves all the mainstream recognition. She's such a unique talent and inspires her fellow artists and fans alike to be our freaky selves. Finally, what is a Pride 2022 message you'd like to share with the world? Whether it's your first or 50th Pride, no matter how you identify or even if you're still figuring it out, I hope you know you are valid, and there is a place here for you.